Hi there, just want to record a video talking about a project that I'm currently working on. It's called GasGuide, and it's been going pretty well, and now towards the end it's getting pretty complicated. And one of the reasons for that is that I didn't really pay attention to, like, I was using query parameters in the beginning, and so like I was writing the pages so that the URLs were all based on the query parameters and they were all using IDs. So this ended up in like kind of a cryptic URL system, and I didn't think about the fact that the client doesn't want to have like a cryptic URL system, and it's important to have like a clear URL structure. And I didn't realize from the beginning that I could use the existing like category and other custom post type pages to build the different pages. I thought I didn't think it was going to work for some reason that I could use the WordPress hook functions in those pages to build it out. So now like the next challenges are to just figure out it's been going all right. So I got the pages reworked. I got most of the hooks rewritten. It's just like stuff keeps popping up now. There's a lot of like filters and links going on, so it's a little confusing about like what pages should go where. But I'm trying to tackle this from like having making sure everything is compartmentalized and separating everything into different files and making sure like the structure is very organized, because now that it's getting like so complicated, it's really important to have things organized, or else like it will really slow the progress down. So I'm thinking that once the like I'll clean up the organization a bit, work on making the category pages for the vendor pages. So it's going to be like another conditional level. So we have like the shop level where you see all the vendors' products, and then you have like I guess the top level would be the shop level, and then the next level down would be like the vendor level. So now you have the vendors, and then like the vendors can have their own shop, where you would see all the things that you'd see in the shop, just not but just filtered by each vendor. So like the shop filters are pretty much working. There's just like a couple of things that need to be ironed out, and then the vendor filters, the functionality is pretty much in place. It just needs to be like fixed so that the URL will be working out correctly, so that like you can go to gasguide/vendor/baggedbuds/flowers, and then you can additionally filter by flowers, where before like you'd go to gasguide/category/flowers. So it's a little weird because usually like that category would not be it's like the same category, but kind of is having what feels like two different parent categories, even though none of the categories have parents. But that's like the way the URL structure is, like vendor/category. That's usually how it is. So I'm going to work on getting that fixed, and that's where I'm at with that right now. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.